Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I honestly want to say our channel at this point because it really is our channel. It's our little FaceTime, it's our little time together. Today, we are doing some fun stuff. I feel a lot better, which I will update you guys in a little bit, like what the hell was going on. I wanted to talk about today. I also love the curtains. You guys saw them last vlog of me and Keen's putting up the curtains, which was the biggest hassle, but I'm happy that they're done. Like, I love them so much and we both love them. It makes the room feel so much more put together. So definitely happy about that. And then this morning, I just didn't have a good like get ready with me spot. I set up a new get ready with me spot. I love it. I filmed my first TikTok get ready with me and the lighting was so good. I felt confident. I felt like me again and I'm happy we could have that relationship again. So I'm gonna show you what I set up. It's the same two lights that they're on my Amazon. I have had them the whole time, so even my get ready with me's back at school. The tripod things were so flimsy, they would fall all the time. They took up so much space, it made the desk look so crowded. And I command strip, like Velcro command strip my light in my bathroom. And I was like, why don't I just command strip them to the wall? And look at how like neat and nice that looks. I can turn them on and off. There's no like mess on the counter. And then like the lighting is so good. When I usually close those in the back, so it really is fully lit on me. Really, really like it. It looks so good. And I'm happy with the results because now we can finally do some get ready with me's together and we can have that time together again. Today, me and Sophia are doing our nails. We're having a little girls' day, nail day, and we do our own nails. So I do my own dip and then she has a gel kit. So I do dip and then gel on top of it. And we've been loving that time together, loving how the nails turn out. And yeah, I need a bit of a girls' day pick-me-up. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm in my car now and we're gonna go to Ulta really quick because I'm out of activator, which you need if you do dip nails. Honestly, just to like really update you guys on what has been going on. It's been one of those moments where a lot has been like put into perspective. And I've learned a lot about myself and about the woman that I want to become. And I had a rather large ovarian cyst on my left ovaries. I didn't feel like myself. I feel like every girl knows that like when your hormones are messed with, you don't feel like yourself. It was just really hard. The other day at like 5 a.m. it ruptured. So I'm pretty sure I don't have it anymore, but you never like fully know the tea with it because it's happening internally. I feel a lot better now that the cyst is gone, hopefully, or it's much smaller. And I just feel like I'm starting to feel like myself again. I'm honestly grateful for the experience. And I try to remember this every time like I'm going through something, because when you're down and in the mud, it's a great time to put your like life into perspective and see what is important to you and what's not. And I feel like I saw a lot of what is important to me and what I don't feel is important to me. I just wanted to make sure that my intentions and the way that I was acting and the way that I'm doing things is aligned in that. So I wanted to set everything and become very intentional. Another thing that I like realized while doing all of this thinking, I like to think a freaking lot, is like I don't really find fulfillment in like going out partying anymore. Not that it was like bad or anything, but I just was like, you know what? I feel like I could be spending my time better. And that's where I'm at. But who knows, that could literally flip now that the cyst is gone. I could be like, woo, let's go out. So who knows? Being sad is such a waste of time, I feel like. And I worked so hard to get out of that place that the last thing I want to do is get back into it. I'm at Ulta now. Let's go get my nail stuff and we'll get back into feeling better and getting back into me. We did the nails. I went for like a light blue color for winter. This is the setup we got going. Then we got Sophia. Here we go, a little girls spa day.
Good morning.
It's the next day, and please tell me why in the middle of the night last night, after I literally tell you guys this whole speech in the car about how I'm finally feeling better and like things have just been one after the other, that I get sick in the middle of the night. You guys, I didn't sleep. I did not sleep last night. I literally woke up at like 2:30 in the morning, and that was it. I couldn't sleep. I felt so sick. I felt stuffy. I had a headache. I was like, what is going on right now? My boyfriend kept waking up and being like, are you good? And I'm like, I don't know. It's what, like almost 2 in the afternoon. I finally got the courage to get up. I put a hair oil in. I'm gonna do a face mask and then shower. Hopefully the shower will revive me. And then I'm gonna put peppermint in the diffuser so that there's some peppermint going in the air, which will help my nose. That's a little hack for ya. Peppermint in your diffuser when you're sick, or if you have a stuffy nose, helps your nose open up. I'm gonna go to the kitchen and make ginger tea with honey, and maybe that will revive me. That might be the trick. And while I wait for my face mask, once I put it on, I'm gonna clean off this counter because I got super amazing reusable kitchen cloth. Why does it say super amazing? But I'm trying to be proactive and get myself to do things that will like help me feel better and not just like sit in bed and rot. Let's do the Outset one because I don't mind if my face is like bright blue. Oh God, I think I need Drano. Everything now, every little thing now that happens, I'm like, no! I like freak out over it. Okay, let's try these super amazing. Should I do the purple one? Just so that it matches with our aesthetic today. Wow, this is a super amazing cloth. This is gonna be interesting because it's like super thick. I just cannot get over this little accidental color scheme we got going on. Look at us. Dang, I should have honestly given you guys a little like before and after of that because that was pretty good. Super amazing cloth. Nice, cool. This is a super amazing cloth. I agree with their marketing. You guys, rain or shine, through sickness and in health, it really is us. Like literally through sickness and in health. In health I vlog, in sickness I vlog. Super amazing vlog.